Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss metal carbonic cluster HNCC. Metal carbonic clusters two type LNCC, HNCC. LNCC means low nuclearity carbonic cluster, HNCC means high nuclearity carbonic clusters. In LNCC, metal atoms less than equal to 4 and HNCC metal atoms greater than equal to 5. 4, 3, 2 LNCC, HNCC 5, 6, 7 metal atoms. I have already uploaded a video on LNCC. Now today I am going to discuss HNCC. HNCC, the structure of the HNCC can be determined by skeletal or framework electron count with the help of Waite's rule. Now rule number 1. First calculate total electron count. Calculate total electron count. Then second, calculate polyhedral electron count. This is total electron count, and PEC means polyhedral electron count. Polyhedral electron count equal to total electron count minus 12 into n, where n equal to number of metal atoms. Now then calculate polyhedral electron count by 2. If polyhedral electron count by 2 equal to n minus 1, this is called superclosure structure. Now this is n, this is called hyperclosure. N plus 1, this is closure structure. N plus 2, this is nido. N plus 3, this is arachno. N plus 4, this is hypo. N plus 5, this is clado. So first calculate total electron count, then calculate polyhedral electron count equal to total electron count minus 12 into n. Then polyhedral electron count by 2. If polyhedral electron count by 2 equal to n minus 1, this is superclosure, n equal to hyperclosure, and so on. Now example. This is rhodium 6 CO whole 16. This complex. First calculate. This is number of metal atoms equal to 6. So number of metal atom equal to 6. This is called HNCC. So I applied HNCC. First rule, total electron count. Total electron count equal to, this is number of metal equal to 6 into rhodium. This is cobalt family. Cobalt, we know this is 3d7, 4s2. So total electron 9 valence electron. So 9 plus 16 CO into contribute 2 electron equal to 54 plus 32 equal to 86. Now second, calculate polyhedral electron count equal to total electron count minus 12 into n equal to 86 minus 12 into, this is number of n equal to number of metal atoms, number of metal atom equal to 6. So this is 6 equal to 86 minus 72 equal to 14. Third, calculate polyhedral electron count by 2 equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7. Now number of metal atom 6. So 6 plus 1 equal to 7. This is n plus 1 equal to 7. So this is n plus 1 rule. N plus 1 rule, we know this is n plus 1 rule equal to closure. Polyhedral electron count n plus 1, this is closure. So the structure n plus 1, this is closure cluster. So rhodium 6 CO whole 16, this is closure cluster, closure metal clusters. Now another example, ruthenium 6 carbon CO 17. Now this carbon is interstitial position. So addition, another rule, add to total electron count the valence electrons for interstitial atom. When for hydrogen, this is addition 1 electron. When carbon, this is addition 4 electron. Nitrogen 5, phosphorus 5, so on. Now the interstitial, this is called the interstitial position. So interstitial position carbon addition the 4 electron in total electron count calculation. So first calculate total electron count. So there is rhodium 6 ruthenium, sorry, this is ruthenium. So this is the iron family, this is 3d6 4s2. so total valence electron 8. So 8 plus this carbon is interstitial, so contribute 4 electron, so 4 plus CO 17 into 2 equal to, this is 48 plus 4 plus 34 equal to 86. So then calculate polyhedral electron count equal to total electron count minus 12 into n equal to 86 minus 12 into, this is n equal number of metal, this is ruthenium 6, so 6 equal to 86 minus 72 equal to 14. Then calculate polyhedral electron count by 2 equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7. Now number of metal atom, this is number of metal atom 6, so 6 plus 1 equal to 7, 6 plus 1 equal to 7, this is n plus 1 rule. So this is the closure metal clusters. Now another example, ruthenium 5 N CO whole 14 minus. First calculate total electron count equal to, this is ruthenium 5 into contribute 8 electron plus nitrogen, this nitrogen interstitial position, so interstitial position this nitrogen for 5 contribute electron, so 5 plus 14 CO into 2 for minus 1 negative charge, this is plus 1, for negative charge this is plus 1, for positive charge this is minus 1. So 40 plus 5 plus 28 plus 1 equal to 74. Now then calculate polyhedral electron count equal to 74 minus 12 into 5 equal to 74 minus 60 equal to 14. Then calculate polyhedral electron count by 2 equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7. Then number of metal atom, there is ruthenium 5, so 5 plus 2 equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So this is n plus 2 rule for nido clusters. So this is all about HNCC. Next day I will discuss inorganic metal clusters, binuclear clusters containing metal multiple bonds. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.